What motivates me to be a clinical teacher? Number one would be promoting the profession of physical therapy. I think to be able to have students coming in and teaching them good clinical practice, to have a future generations of good therapists coming out, and then just the fulfillment I get out of being able to teach and educate students coming through. The advantages of being a clinical education scholar would be having access to the Regis library, so I can keep updated on all new research. And then also having that direct access with the faculty members. If I have any questions or concerns, I'm able to reach out to them, and usually they respond back pretty quickly. So, but number one would be the having access to the library, getting updated on research.
I think one of the most important qualities is probably having somebody who's able to push me out of my comfort zone, but in a way that's supportive and encouraging for my learning, because sometimes I need a gentle nudge to not just sit back and observe. I also think that having somebody who's able to kind of clue into students' different learning styles and be able to adapt their teaching style that way is really, really helpful and I think the most beneficial. And I also think that having somebody who actively seeks outside learning experiences, whether it's working with a different patient who isn't on my caseload, who may be more complex or interesting, or identifying outside seminars, classes, etc. That's been really helpful.
Teaching the Regis students definitely improves my clinical practice. I would say I'd have to keep up on my toes all the time. I'd have to know what I am teaching. I wouldn't be an effective teacher if I didn't know the material. So I'm constantly having to make sure I'm updated on current research, knowing my anatomy and physiology. So it makes me review constantly to make sure I'm an effective teacher.